Hello everyone, my name is Gilang Anji Baskara. In this video, I will talk about two topics. The first topic is my opinion about Bahrain versus Indonesia, and the last topic is the question word. Another example, when Bahraini player was the time, but referee did not give them any warning. The match between Bahrain versus Indonesia take place on October 10, 2023. The match end with score 2-2. I will discuss about referee decision, which many people thought were unfair and favor Bahrain. There was some moment made me think so. One example is when Indonesia player and Bahraini player touch each other a little, but the Bahraini player fell and rolled around like he was really hurt. Another example, when Bahraini player was the time, but referee did not give them any warning. The most shocking moment was the end of the game. Indonesia leading to 1. There were 6 minutes at the time, but the referee did not blow his final whistle. The match showed that a referee decision can really change the result of the game. When a referee is not fair, like giving too much at the time and ignoring time wasting, the game feels unfair. It also hurt the idea of fair play and makes the losing team feel very disappointed. Let's talk about next topic. Today, we're going to explore the most common question word in English. These are the words we use when we want to ask for specific information about people, things, time, reason, or place. Understanding question is very important because they are used in almost every conversation. If you know how to use them correctly, you can ask clear and meaningful questions for English. Question words are also called interrogative words. They help us get specific information instead of just yes or no answer. For example, if I ask do you like pizza, you can only say yes or no. But if I ask one can of pizza do you like, you have to give more information. That's the power of question words. They make our conversation more complete and meaningful. Let's look at each one in detail. We use who to ask about a person or people, usually the one doing the action. For example, who is your teacher? Means we want to know the name of the person who teach you. Or who called you last night? Here, who is the subject of the verb call. So who is always connected with people, never with this or object. Is one of the most common question word in English every day. Whom is used when the person is the object of the action, not the one doing it. For example is, whom did you meet? The person you meet received the action of the verb meet. However, in modern English, whom is not used very often in casual conversation. Most people just say who did you meet instead. Still, whom is correct formal greeting, academic English, or polite situation. We use what to ask about object, ideas, or action. Basically, things that are not people. For example, what is your favorite color? Mean you want to know the name of color. What are you doing? Ask about an activity happening right now. We can also use what to ask for explanation or definition, like what does this word mean? It's one of the most flexible question word because it can use for many different situations. We use when to ask about time, the moment or period something happened. For example, when is your birthday means you want to know the exact day. You can also about event, when did you start school or when will you travel. The answer usually include a time word like yesterday, last year, next week, or at 6 o'clock. Using when help make our question more precise when talking about schedule or timeline. Where is used to ask about a place or location. For example is, where do you live? Means you're asking for someone address or city. Where is my bag? Means you want to know the location of the bag. You can use a where for direction, for event, or for origins. We use why when we want to know the reason for something, the cause or motivation behind an action. For example, why are you sad? When you want to understand the reason for someone feeling. The answer usually start with because, such as because is lost my wallet. Why is one of the most important question word for having deeper conversation because it helps us understand people thought, choice, and emotion. We use which when there are limit choice or option. For example, which book do you like? Means you are choosing between two or more books that are already known. Whose is used to ask about possession, to know who owns something. For example, whose car is that? Means who is the owner of this car. These two question words are very useful when you want to make specific choice or talk about ownership. How is a very versatile question word because it can be used in many ways. We can use it to ask about something condition, to ask about age, to ask about number, or to ask about the way something happened. We can also combine how with other word to make a new question form, like how much, how often, how long, how far. It's one of the most flexible and important question word in English. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.